Your creepy toy.
That's creepy.
All right. Let's do animal noises again.
Look at this. 3 puppies. What do puppies say? Woof, woof. Those are kitties. What do kitties say? Meow. Meow. Can you say meow? Meow. That's a kitty. Yeah. What do the duckies say? They go quack, quack, quack. Quack, quack, quack.
Go back to the kitties.
Oh, kitties are right here. What does the doggy say? Woof, woof. Woof, woof. Those are kitties. They're kitties. Kitties say meow. Meow. Yeah. Meow.
And we're uninterested. And there we go. Where are you going? Yeah? You trying to see what's on the other side? Oh, look, there's Mommy. Oh. And look, there's Noah. And there's Aunt Heather. And then there's Noah. Oh, and then we're going to trip on Aunt Heather. Oh. You want to see? See? Mommy. Oh. There's Mommy. Say hi, Mommy. Yeah. Oh. Oh, 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 unsteady. Oh, unsteady. Oh, oh.
Oh, getting out his favorite book. What's that book? These have lots of animals in it.
Oh, good. Look it's the colorful storm.
Oh boy, what does the tiger say? Roar! What does the giraffe say? I don't know. I'm gonna guess it goes. What does a penguin say? He goes yip 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 yip.
Noah, she can only
What
read
does a
so.
swan say? Swan goes honk honk.
He's like, Mommy, you need a breath mint. Yeah.
What does a dolphin say? It goes ee.
No, it goes. I don't even know
What does a sheep say, Noah? Noah, what does a sheep say? It goes ba.
Ma. That's how they sound like in England.
Ba.
Ma. Ma.
What does a sheep say?
Ma.
Ba.
I'm a creepy ant. Help, Mommy. Oh, oh, colorful storm. What is that?
Bear say roar. What does an elephant say? Roar. Oh, sand on my shirt. Excuse me.
Are you?
Ow! How many books do you want me to read, bud?
12.
Let me go back to this one. What did the ducky say? Quack, quack, quack. And we're done with it.